Okay, hi. So we're starting 2.4 day one, and we're dealing with multi-step equations with variables on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 4 problems, and then you can work on the homework. So first thing I always do is draw a line down the equal sign. Then I'm going to go ahead and read the problem. I have 9y equals 33 minus 2y. Okay, so I noticed that there's y's on both sides, and my goal is to get the variable by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move that minus 2y over to the other side by using the opposite. So I'm going to add 2y to both sides. The 2y's cancel. 9y plus 2y is 11y. And then I brought down that 33. Now what I have left is 11 times y equals 33. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So in order to get y by itself, I need to divide both sides by 11. Cross out the 11's, y is equal to 3. 33 divided by 11 is 3. Circle it, you are done. Okay, moving on to the next example. First things first, draw a line down the equal sign. Now remember, in an equation, it consists of a left side and a right side. So I have 8m plus 4 equals 7m minus 11. My goal is to get m by itself. So I like moving my variables to the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move that 7m over to the left side. Now that's a positive 7. To move it to the other side, you have to minus 7m. The 7m's cancel on the right. 8m minus 7m is 1m. Don't forget to bring down that plus 4. And then, of course, on the right-hand side, I'm going to bring down a minus 11 or a negative 11. Don't forget about that minus or negative sign. Now what you notice is I have a basic two-step problem. So I'm not done yet because I'm still moving terms from side to side. So I need to move over that positive 4 to the other side. So I'm going to minus 4 to both sides. Bring down the 1m. This is where grabbing your calculator would be very helpful. Negative 11 minus 4 is negative 15. Now to get the variable by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 1. The 1's cancel. M is equal to negative 15. Circle it. You are done. You guys can pause and replay as I go through these in case I'm moving too fast or too slow. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up 2 more examples, similar to the ones that we just completed. First things first, I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign. That's my left side, that's my right side. So remember, I want to get my variable by itself. I usually like doing it onto the left side. So I want to move my p's over to the left side. So I notice that 5p is on the right side. So in order to move it to the left-hand side, I'm going to have to minus 5p to both sides. 5p's cancel. 2p minus 3p, grab a calculator if you need to, is negative 3p. Bring down a minus 9. We'll always be aware of what signs in front of the term or the number, okay? And then it's equal to 12. I got a 2-step. So I want to move over that minus 9. So in order to move it to the other side, you have to add 9. Do add 9 to both sides because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other to keep it balanced. 9's cancel. Negative 3p equals 12 plus 9 is 21. So now I'm left with negative 3 times p equals 21. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. The negative 3's cancel. P is equal to negative 21. Negative 7. So P is equal to negative 7 because 21 divided by negative 3 is negative 7. Okay, the last problem. It's a little bit different than the first three examples. It's because we got an extra term there. So remember, you got your left side and you got your right side. So I have 5x minus 3x plus 4 equals 3x plus 8. You'll notice on the left-hand side, before I do anything, I have to address those like terms. I have a 5x and a negative 3x. I need to combine those. And when I combine like terms on the same side, I do not change signs. So right now that says 5x minus 3x. I'm going to leave it as that. 5x minus 3x is 2x. And you'll notice I just brought down everything else that I haven't touched yet. Now, I want to get my x's on the left-hand side, so I'm going to have to move over that 3x. So I'm going to minus 3x to both sides. Those cancel. 2 minus 3 is negative 1x. Bring down that positive 4 and bring down that positive 8. Now I got a two-step. Need to move over that positive 4 by subtracting 4 to both sides. Negative 1x equals 4, because 8 minus 4 is 4. And then I have negative 1 times x, so the opposite of times is to divide. Make sure you divide by a negative 1 though, okay? Cross out the negative 1's, x is equal to negative 4. Nice job. So, take a look at the examples. If you want to rewatch this again, please do. But go ahead and finish your homework that is assigned for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.